The Prophet ﷺ, his illness became even more on a Thursday. Abdullah ibn Abbas, he said, Yawm al-Khamis. What did he say about it? He said, Yawm al-Khamis, wa ma Yawm al-Khamis, he said. Yawm al-Khamis, a Thursday. Do you guys know what a Thursday was? That was the day that the Prophet's illness increased extremely. And that day, the reason Ibn Abbas pointed that day out was because it was the day that the Prophet, he said, I'tini bi kitabi, bring me a book. I want a book. أكتب لكم كتابا لا تضلوا بعده أبدا. This book, what I'm going to tell you guys to write in it, you will never be misguided after it. The people started to debate. Some said, no, leave the Prophet alone. Leave the what? Leave the Prophet ﷺ alone. He is sick. He can't write or he can't dictate anything. We're harming the Prophet. The book of Allah is already with us. We have the Prophet ﷺ's guidance. We don't need this. So, and another group said, but he asked for it. Let him give us it. We want it. When they started to quarrel and argue, he said, قُومُوا عَنِّي. All of you stand up from me. وَلَا يَنْبَغِي عِنْدِ التَّنَازُعِ. I don't need argumentations and debates and quarrels in front of me. All of you guys leave me. Ibn Abbas, he used to say about that day, he used to say, إِنَّ الرَّزِيَّةَ كُلَّ الرَّزِيَّةِ. He used to say that the calamity of all calamities was ما حال بين رسول الله صلى الله عليه وسلم وبين أن يكتب لهم ذلك الكتاب. What got between the Prophet and writing this for the people was the fact that the people were لِاخْتِلَافِهِمْ, their differences and their argumentations. The Prophet gave advice that day. He said, أخرجوا المشركين من جزيرة العرب. Take the pagans out of the Arabian Peninsula. Take them out. وَأَجِيزُ الْوَفْدَ. The delegation that's going to come, fulfill them the covenants. بِنَحْوِ مَا كُنْتُ أُجِيزُهُمْ. But do it the way I used to do it, the Prophet, he said. Fatima entered onto the Prophet ﷺ and she kept saying, وَا كَرْبَ أَبَاهِ. My father's calamities are so much. She was saying that. The Prophet said, لَيْسَ عَلَىٰ أَبِيكِ كَرْبٌ بَعْدَ الْيَوْمِ. After today, your father is not going to be sick. Don't worry. This is just these few days. After that, this is all going to go. The Prophet then, he kept asking his wife Aisha, he grabbed her and he said, Aisha, have the people prayed? She said, La ya Rasulullah, they didn't pray. They're waiting for you to lead them in the salah.